The next crypto bull run won't just be about Bitcoin or Ethereum. Gaming will be the biggest catalyst of 2025. Because this time, it's not about hype, it's about owning digital value. Billions of gamers grinding for hours, earning nothing. That era is ending. Blockchain gaming is flipping the script, where players finally get paid to play, trade in game assets, and own their digital worlds. Today, we're breaking down 5 gaming altcoins with real utility, real ecosystems, and real upside potential for 2025. And stick around because the last one, Metagame Coin, MGC, may just be the undervalued monster nobody is talking about yet. If you're looking for 10x to 50x potential in the gaming sector, this is your video. Play to earn isn't just a trend, it's a global shift in value ownership. So here's the big picture. The gaming industry already generates over $200 billion a year. Over 3.4 billion people play video games worldwide, yet 0% of them own the assets they grind for. Blockchain turns gamers into stakeholders, not just users. And the money flowing into this sector is massive. According to multiple industry reports, blockchain gaming is projected to reach $80 billion plus by 2028, and many analysts believe it will surpass traditional gaming revenues by early 2030s. So what does that mean for early movers? The projects that build real, scalable ecosystems today could 10x, 20x, or even 50x as adoption hits. This is why gaming tokens outperform almost every sector in bull markets. Users aren't just investors, they're participants. So let's break down the top 5 that are leading this charge. Kicking it off with an OG, Gala Games. You can't talk about Web3 gaming without mentioning Gala. Why? Because they're not building one game. They're building a full gaming ecosystem powered by player-owned assets. What makes Gala strong? They have multiple games across genres like RPG, shooters, strategy, etc. You can own your own in-game items such as NFTs. They have Gala nodes. Community members earn rewards for securing the network. So what's coming in 2025? More AAA level releases, film and music integrations, Gala Film plus Gala Music, cross-IP NFT interoperability. This isn't a meme gaming token. It's a full entertainment ecosystem. Gala is positioned as the Roblox of Web3, where creators, gamers, and developers all earn together. Next up is the visual king of blockchain gaming, Illuvium. Imagine a fusion of Pokemon, World of Warcraft, and futuristic open world exploration, but on-chain. What sets Illuvium apart is simple. They've actually built the game. It's fully immersive 3D open world. It has AAA quality visuals, play to earn and land ownership, and DeFi mechanics. ILV staking rewards is also another feature. Their land gameplay going live was a huge step. Most crypto games promise, Illuvium delivered. If Web3 gaming goes mainstream, Illuvium will be one of the first titles traditional gamers actually respect. This is a premium project with premium long-term upside. Number 3 is Beam, or formerly Merit Circle. While most gaming tokens focus on users, Beam focuses on infrastructure, the smartest long-term play in the entire sector. Think of Beam as the engine that powers hundreds of Web3 games, providing tools, liquidity, and development framework. Why this matters? Instead of relying on one game to succeed, Beam benefits from all games built in its ecosystem. Its key strengths are cross-game economies, developer tools and SDKs, investment into top Web3 gaming studios. This is the picks and shovels strategy. During the gold rush, the ones who got rich were the people selling the tools. Beam is that tool provider for blockchain gaming. If Web3 gaming wins, Beam becomes a multi-billion-dollar backbone of the industry. Number 4 is a veteran making a comeback, Enjin. Enjin allows any game developer to integrate NFTs and digital assets into their game without needing complex blockchain knowledge. They were early, too early, but now that the market is finally catching up, Enjin is relevant again. So why is Enjin important? It enables NFT integration for games, supports multi-chain environments, and it's backed by strong partnerships and long-term brand presence. It's focused on onboarding traditional studios into Web3, and with NFT 2.0 assets and scalable cross-chain tech rolling out, Enjin could easily re-enter the top gaming projects rank in this cycle. If you want exposure to Web 2 gaming studios migrating to Web 3, Enjin is that bridge. And now for the sleeper pick, the one that's flying under the radar but building exactly what gamers actually want. Metagame Coin, or MGC, by Coin Factory. MGC has quietly 15x'd in the last 12 months. And here's the crazy part. No Binance, no KuCoin, no major CEX listings yet. This is community driven, DEX only, and built for real gamers, not traders. MGC is part of the RZ Oasis ecosystem, a network of decentralized gaming worlds where players can earn MGC through missions, use it across multiple games, stake, trade, or buy NFT-backed digital assets, and fully own everything. There's no middleman. This isn't just play to earn. This is play to own. Here's what really makes MGC different. One token works across several games. All assets exist on-chain. No centralized custody or gaming company controls your items. Rewards actually mean something because you own them. That's the future gamers want. Freedom, ownership, and interoperability. If you want to get in early, go to coinfactory.com, connect a non-custodial wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and explore. Everything is designed to stay fully decentralized, which is extremely rare in gaming tokens. So to wrap up, these are 5 gaming coins with real fundamentals that could reshape the Web3 gaming landscape heading into 2025 and beyond. Not all gaming tokens will survive, but the ones building ecosystems, infrastructure, and real player value will dominate the next wave, because the next crypto bull run won't be led by traders, it will be led by players, creators, and digital world owners. Which one are you watching closely? Comment your pick below. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do, and we'll see you soon.